Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix Instagram stuck on a white screen. If you are experiencing this issue, do not worry. It is a common problem that can be easily resolved. First, let's identify the possible causes of this issue. The white screen on Instagram can be caused by a poor internet connection, outdated app version, corrupted cache, or issues with your device. To fix this issue, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if the issue persists. Next, check if your Instagram app is up to date. Open the App Store on your device. Search for Instagram, and check if there are any updates available. If there are, install the latest version and try opening the app again. If the issue persists, try clearing the Instagram cache. For Android devices, go to Settings, then Storage, and select Instagram. From there, you can clear the cache and data. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then General, and select iPhone Storage. From there, you can offload the app or delete and reinstall it. Another solution is to restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve the issue. Press and hold the power button, select Restart, and wait for your device to boot up again. If none of these solutions work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This will remove all the app's data and settings, so you will need to log in again after reinstalling. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram stuck on a white screen issue. Remember to always keep your app and device up to date, and to clear the cache regularly to prevent similar issues from occurring in the future.